Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, today's experiment, which is on the effect of temperature on reaction rates. Now, to demonstrate this, we are going to use a physical change. So we're going to use the dissolving of water. But what occurs in this particular activity is replicated in a chemical reaction, but this one's just a little bit easier to see, a little bit easier to understand. What I have is I have two beakers here of water, the same amount of water, 150 mils, and into both of those I am going to place a sugar cube. Now, sugar cubes are the same size, so we place one into there and one into there. We've got room temperature in this particular one of around about 22 degrees, so what we'll do is we'll leave that one up over there, and for the second one we're going to place it on a Bunsen burner, and it's obviously going to heat up the water. So we'll just place on our Bunsen, okay, as we can see there, and put it on. And the beep that you are going to hear is in fact the timer that will be going, and what we're looking for is how quickly they dissolve. Okay, so obviously this is going to take a little bit of time, so whilst that is occurring, the write-up will come onto the screen. Can you please pause the video and then write down the write-up and then come back to the video when you are ready. It's now been just 37 seconds, and what we find that in the hot beaker that the majority of the sugar has broken down, the big cube has broken down, whereas in this one here that we have most of it still going, and we're up to the 1 minute mark now. So we'll come back when the entire sugar has been dissolved. Now, it's been 1 minute 44 and we have no sugar left in the hot reaction. It has all dissolved, whereas in this particular one, as you can see, we have a fair amount of undissolved sugar in it. So that basically shows you the effect of temperature on the rate of the reaction. Your job will be to figure out why that is. Again, if you have any problems, please see your teacher, and don't forget to fill in the experiment write-up before you go and talk to your teacher. Thank you very much.